So this is the car wash. Not clear entry exit sign. The entry is pretty messed up for a small car. I almost hit my car backing up to this pole. So the entry is pretty bad, and yep. So here, as you can see, it's so difficult for me to enter even this car wash and enter the code. So that is something which is really, really worse.
Please enter your code by touching the press button. Touch enter when finished. Please select one of the following options. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Okay, so I'm pulling forward slowly into the wash. It's really, really narrow. I really don't like it. It is really, really narrow. Okay, how much I have to drive ahead? Let's see. Doesn't say stop yet. Okay, so what the hell? So yeah, so I just went to, okay, alright. Yeah, it's not at all an efficient way to do this. Yeah, these things are new, that's okay, but it's not at all efficient way to do this. Okay, so this thing is moving. Hopefully it doesn't hit my car. I'll just have to wait now. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's done washing the back. So is it coming ahead again? Yeah, I guess it is coming back. Okay, it stopped. Now I guess it'll be water. Some kind of spray. This is water? No, this is dryer. It is too low. Oh, I'm glad it went down. best experiences. This is pretty scary. Yeah, I don't like this at all. Okay, so it still says stop, and it's still going up. I don't know why. Okay, drive ahead. All right, I guess that's about it. So let's go drive ahead, and yeah. So, okay. Not a good experience. Sorry. No exit sign, no entry sign. It's just unsafe. It's a recipe for disaster. It's just